Lucky's Comfort Club takes away the fear of having something break down in the middle of the night.
People need to consider having a maintenance plan like this for their homes because we're always there for you. Always. It doesn't matter if it's 2 o'clock in the morning. You call us if there's a challenge, we have your back.
Mainly it's to make your equipment last longer. You know, the little bit of money that you put up front for the yearly service saves you thousands of dollars.
We'll take care of it, and we'll take care of you.